Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Taylor and I am so happy to have you here. In today's video, I have a mobile home update for y'all. We are going to be replacing the old door in the living room with a new sliding glass door, and my bedroom is in need of a major dusting. If you enjoy this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and also turn the notification bell on so you never miss out on a new video. Now let's get at it and get it done. So today we are getting the double doors replaced with a sliding door. I'm not going to be able to film the process of it because I don't think the people that are doing it are comfortable on camera, so I want to respect that. But I just wanted to show y'all what it looks like before. I had these curtains up and it's in here in the living room. We've got some duct tape up because it was, I believe we did it because of the weather. It definitely needs it. You can see down there. And then let me open these up to show y'all what it looks like. It's kind of hard to see because of the lighting. So I will show y'all what it looks like in a little while when it's replaced. I wanted to come out and show y'all the outside of the double doors. They look terrible. So this one is missing its paint and all that, and there's like, I believe that's rotten wood right there. So excited to get them replaced. Ruby, look at her. Wee! Ruby, look at Ruby. She don't even see me. Hey, Weenie! My bedroom is super dusty, so I figured I would go ahead and vacuum the walls to remove all the dust, because later on in the video you will see that I got a picture for over my bed, so I wanted the walls to be dust free before I put it up.
Me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're out of tight and you. I got you. You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you, and you got me too.
Isn't this the good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out there for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Keep playing my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beaches, sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Isn't it a big crime to get a little lost in everybody's business? Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size. not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? On and on it goes, round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes, swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute, yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here, make everything disappear? Keep playing my favorite song, put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here, make everything disappear? Lay low in the beaches, sun, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Isn't this a good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages, citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides, always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies, you know it is all lies. Hey, would you rather stay right here, make everything disappear? Keep playing my favorite song, put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here, make everything disappear? Lay low in the beaches, sun, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Put your rose-colored glasses on.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break, I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, this time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break, I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, this time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah.
I have wanted a picture over my bed in my room for a while now, and I knew that I pretty much wanted a black and white picture with a white frame, and I wanted the ocean. So when I seen this, I fell in love with it. I found it on Marketplace in a local sale group, so I got a great deal on it. And y'all know me, I love shopping secondhand and finding a great deal.
What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. Smell of your aftershave, sweet blossom in the rain. You flip around your hair as if you're unaware, but you should know that I'm looking at you. You make me feel like I'm made of colors. Just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do. I do, I do, I do, I do believe in lovers like me and you. Yeah, you just keep on dancing all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do. I do, baby, I do, I do, I do. Wanna stay here and let loose, let loose, let loose. Just keep on loving all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do.
So this is what the picture looks like, and I love it. It brings personality to the room, and it's also very calming. So this is what it looks like from the outside, and I love it. Eventually we're gonna have a deck back out here, so that's why we went with the door, because we want to do a pretty deck. But I love it. We still have to do some, I think he's gonna put some siding around it, but it is pretty. You can see the mountains, and it really just makes everything look so much more opened up, and I like it. Let me know what y'all think. This is what the door looks like inside, and it turned out great. I'm really happy with it, and it changes the entire look of the room, and it will also keep the rain and wind out. I can't wait to have a deck to walk out on and enjoy my coffee in the morning looking at the mountains. So that's going to be it for today's video. Thank y'all for spending time with me today. I really appreciate it, and I have missed y'all, and I'm so glad to be back. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye y'all.